VO, have you ever asked yourself how machines learn like humans? Or how complex systems are managed on cloud platforms like AWS? If you have, then you will love today's extravaganza, where we explore the intricate relationship between machine learning and AWS. We promise it's going to be as exciting as a roller coaster ride. Let's start at the beginning. In the simplest terms, machine learning is a machine's ability to learn and improve its performance by using algorithms that can process, analyze, and interpret vast amounts of data. Imagine a little cute robot learning, adapting, and evolving as it navigates the world, all thanks to machine learning. Now, let's talk about the titan of technology platforms, Amazon Web Services, or AWS. If we were talking in terms of fantasy worlds, then AWS would be the Amazonian majesty with a scepter of cloud computing, reigning over the digital realm. It provides a wide range of services from data storage to deployment tools, databases, and most importantly for our story today, machine learning. So, how the two work hand in hand, you ask? Picture peanut butter and jelly dancing together, a perfect symbiosis. AWS provides the tools that enable machine learning to function better, turning our cute little robot into a super intelligent, hyper efficient system. Amazon offers a service known as Amazon Machine Learning, a playground for developers to create applications which make predictions about your data. It's like having a fortune teller, except it's based on data and not on the alignment of the stars. Another marvel in AWS's arsenal is Amazon SageMaker, a fantastic platform that makes it easier for developers and data scientists to build, train, and manage machine learning models. It's like an elite school for our robot friend, where it learns to shine brighter. Beyond these, AWS offers a buffet of AI services to add intelligence to your applications. You can develop chatbots with Amazon Lex, turn text into lifelike speech with Amazon Polly, and even recognize celebrities and inappropriate content with Amazon Recognition. It's like giving our robot X ray glasses, a smartphone, and a whole new toolbox of cool gadgets. Why AWS? Well, because it enables machine learning to learn exponentially by providing highly scalable, flexible, and secure cloud infrastructure. Additionally, AWS offers cost effective solutions, thereby democratizing the availability of machine learning to businesses of all sizes. So, what this amicable marriage between machine learning and AWS means for us for the future? It means smarter home automation, personalized online shopping, fraud detection, autonomous vehicles, and even predicting the stock market. Yep, the future is crazy exciting, and it's about to arrive powered by these two technology giants. In GIST, AWS empowers machine learning, giving it a platform to dance, twirl, and show its incredible moves, in turn enhancing its performance to unimaginable heights. And together they bring us an inch closer to the world of tomorrow, delivering solutions that were once a part of the sci fi universe. So, with that, folks, we're wrapping up today's session wrapped in tech glory. We hope you enjoyed this adventure. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, because the realms of machine learning and AWS are ever expanding, full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning.